Hello and welcome to the Main Cave. Now in today's quick setup video, I'm going to be running through the popular Govee Glide wall lights. I'm going to be going through the unboxing, the setup and a demo. So I bought these lights for two reasons. Firstly, they were in the sale. And secondly, I'm currently updating my sidewall. And as you'll notice through the video, is a patch-up job going on the plastering from my past TV wall mount. Something that will get fixed. But for now, the lights go up to slightly mask this. So as I said, I got these in the sale as they are RRP for around £90, but I got them for just under 70. And if you click in the link in the description, then they are full price. Just wishlist them and wait for a sale. So unboxing is the usual fare, all packaged nicely, and this pack comes with 6 straight pieces and 1 corner piece. I'd have liked another corner piece, but if you want more than one, you're going to need to buy the more expensive pack with up to 8 individual strip pieces. Also in the box is some paperwork and 2 connecting cables. The first is a power cable, the second is a sort of a control box which contains a microphone for when using it in sound mode. And once you pick up the light, the first thing you'll notice is how light it is. Each strip is only a few grams, and because of that, I felt like I was going to break them. They are, however, quite solid in construction, but the only issue I have is the connecting part. There is a certain amount of force needed to attach them and to pull them apart, and it's equally as precarious. Having said that, since recording I've taken them apart and put them together several times without a hitch, but can 100% see that a tug in the wrong direction and one of these connectors will be no more. The straight pieces are 30 centimeters long, that's 1.8 meters in total, plus a 7 centimeter-ish corner piece. The power cable is 1.5 meters long, the connecting cable is 1 meter plus 7 centimeter box plus an extra 15 centimeters. So doing the math from the end of the light stand to the plug socket is whoppingly nearly 3 meters long. I D-lined a part of mine, but something to consider is that if you are going to D-line the entire 3 meters, you can't due to this connecting box in the middle. So all out of the box, the first thing I want to do is test it, and so you'll need to get the free Govee app. If you've ever used the Govee app, you'll be used to all of this. All you're going to do is open it up and click on the plus symbol at the top and add the model H6062. Then once you've added it, your lights will then turn on. If you now try and add more strips, they won't work. For them to be registered, you need to clip them on, then turn the lights off at the wall, or just pull the cable out as I did, turn it all back on, and then you get a quick white pattern across the connected devices, and it's registered. So it says in the instructions to build it all first, then put it up onto the wall. But I only built one side with 3 pieces. I don't suggest holding it at any one end as it bowed and creaked, and I felt like that it could easily snap. So I just built the 3 pieces together, which seemed about right and as stable as I could get them. Peel off the stickers on the back and place it on the wall. I first did the side strip and I got that lined up, and then I added the corner piece and then the 3 horizontal pieces at the top. In the past, I've had issues with Govee and their 3M pads. On the one hand, they've been great at sticking the lights up, but on the other hand, have been far too much, and when taking it off my wall, left a huge hole in the plaster. These, I'm pleased to say, are a lot more forgiving. 2 on each piece hold them onto the wall well, but could be peeled off if needed, but you're going to be having varying results if you keep doing that. So once up, back onto the app, and it's the usual Govee affair. You can set a timer, set a scene, a colour, or DOI of your own. Plenty to do, all very easy to control. Each strip is sectioned into 3 parts for plenty of customization. One thing I wasn't too sure about was the brightness. Up to 100% it's bright, but down to 1% it doesn't seem that less bright. Do let me know your thoughts on this. Also, if you look closely, you can see the joins between each light, but stand back and anything after about 2 meters or so and this blends away. This particular model is quite niche in that you need a straight line area along the X and the Y for it to go, as you only get 1 corner light and the lights are rigid. But if you have the room, then this will make a superb feature. It's bright, it's colourful, and being Govee, the app works great and integrates nicely with Alexa. So the pros and the cons then. The pros are that it's a striking piece that looks colourful and bright. The app is great for customization and finally can be had cheaper if you wait for a sale. And the few cons that I've got about it, well, I feel like it could break when you're setting it up. You can see the joins at close range and really it doesn't go very dim. And with only 1 corner piece where you need to spend way more if you want to get another corner piece. I haven't found these for sale separately. So there we have it then. Are you looking to get a set of these? These are a very good looking piece for your wall. Let me know your thoughts on this and check the links below for the latest price. Till the next video. Bye bye.